Okay, hello everyone. Today we are going to learn class 9 social science. Okay, we will take up geography, chapter number 3. Okay, the name of the chapter is drainage. Okay, let us start from drainage. Okay, the term drainage describes the river system of an area. That means whenever you have heard about the drainage, means we are going to learn about the river systems. Okay, drainage means we have to learn about the rivers, river systems. So look at the physical map, you will notice that the small stream flow from different direction comes together to form the main river, ultimately which ultimately drain into a large water body such as a lake or a sea or an oceans. Yes, you can see here streams. That means main water is flowing here. That means from every angle the water is drains towards the main rivers. Towards the main river, they join the main river and they drain in an ocean. At last they will drain into an big oceans or a seas, or a lake. So the area with the area drained by a single river system, it is called a drainage basin. That means this is the area for stream B. This area is what it is provided by this river na. The water facility is provided by this river. This is called a drainage basin for particular rivers. So a closer observation on a map will indicate that elevation areas such as a mountain or an upland separate two drainage basins. Such an upland is known as water divide. That means there is a stream 1, a stream A and stream B. That is if there is a mountain or any upland in between two rivers. This land, that land is going to divide. It is going to separate the two rivers. That is called a water divide. This is called a water divide. That means this upland divide the it separate the two streams. Stream A, this area is what stream A, drainage basin, and this one is what stream B, drainage basin. And this area separation area, it is known as what water divide. It is divided by upland or a mountain or something like that. So next we are going to learn is drainage basin in India. So drainage system of India are mainly controlled or by a broad relief features subcontinent. That means Indian drainage system is what it is mainly controlled by the relief features. We have already studied about the relief features in chapter number 1 or 2. Accordingly the Indian rivers Indian river are divided into two major groups. That means Indian river system, it is divided into two. The first one is what Himalayan rivers, and the second one is what the peninsular rivers. So the Himalayan, look here, apart from originating from the two major physiographic region of India, the Himalaya and the peninsular are different from each other in many ways. That means the originating the origins of Himalaya and what the peninsular is different. With that difference, their rivers, their availability of water or something like that, that is also different from that means origin is very important. Suppose in Himalayan rivers, what happened, throughout the whole year they used to get what water, but in peninsular they never that means they used to get rainfall during they used to get water during rainfalls in rainfall season, but in Himalayan they used to get throughout the whole years. Why? Because with the help of melting of ice, glacier or something like that, they used to get during the dry season or winter season when there is no rain. So most of the Himalayan river are perennial. I have already told you Himalayan river are most of the Himalayan rivers they are what perennial. That means they used to get water throughout the whole year, but in peninsular river system they never get this, they are non-perennial, you can say that. So Himalayan rivers they are receive water from rain as well as from what melting of snow or the lovely from the lovely mountains. So The two major Himalayan rivers are Indus and the Brahmaputra. Okay, Indus and the Brahmaputra are the two major Himalayan rivers. Okay, the from the north of the mountain range. That means they are originated from the mountain range, from the north of mountain range. They cut, okay, they have cut through the mountain, making gorge, okay, while coming while entering the India. Okay, they have to go through many gorges, okay, and they form they are coming in between what mountains, okay, by forming gorge. Okay, so the Himalayan river have a long course for their source to the sea. Okay, that means most of the Himalayan rivers, okay, they are what happened, they have a long course, okay, to reach to the sea. That means from origin up to the sea, okay, they have to pass long distance. Okay, that's one. They perform intensive erosion activity in their upper course and carry huge loads, silt and sand in the middle and the lower course. This look here, these Himalayan rivers, okay, these Himalayan rivers in the upper course, the main activity is what they are doing, what erosional activity. But in the middle and the lower, okay, they are from what minders, okay, oxbow lakes, okay, and many other deposition. Okay, that means deposition feature. In the middle and lower, they are from what deposition, as well as they form minders and oxbow. Okay, you have to know that one. And they are creating floodplain. Okay, they have also well developed delta. Okay, that means they also form what deltas. Okay, here if look here, they are coming here, suppose this is a source and they are coming here and they form what minders. Okay, and here they are forming what oxbow. Oxbow log is formed by, suppose in once upon a time the river used to flow like this. Okay, but what happened with the increase or space like that, they have what cut. Okay, this river they have totally cut, and this cut river from what oxbow lake. Okay, in at the lower course they are from what delta the. Okay, this one, look here, a large number of peninsular rivers are seasonal. I have told you peninsular, okay, peninsular rivers are what seasonal, and they depend on what rainfall. Okay, during the dry season, what happened, most of the rivers, okay, most of the river they are reduced. Okay, they are reduced the flow of waters. So during dry season there is no water, so they are facing what happened, water's problem. Okay, the flow of the water channel is what reduced. Okay, peninsular river have shorters, okay, shorter and slower as compared to the Himalaya contribute. That means if you compare with Himalaya river system and peninsular river system, what happened, peninsular river system they are shallow, okay, shallower course, and their long is what somewhat shorter. Okay, so some other some, however, some of them originate in the central highland and flow towards the west. Okay, most of the peninsular rivers they are originated in the central highland and flow towards the west. Okay, yes, can you identify some of the large river? Most of the rivers of the peninsular Indian origin in the western Ghat and flow towards the Bay of Bengal. Okay, look here. So in peninsular river system, what happened, most of the river they drain, okay, towards the, they flow towards the easternward, and they drain in the Bay of Bengal. Only few river they drain towards the Arabian Sea. Okay, and this is what drainage pattern. Okay, in drainage pattern you will find three, okay, the four pattern. The first one is what dendritic, and the second one is what trellis, and the third one is what rectangular pattern, and the fourth one is what radial. Okay, dendritic pattern means develop where the river channel flow, okay, follows the slope of the terrains. Okay, the stream with the tributary resemble and the beach, okay, and the branches of the tree thus name as what dendrites. A river join. Okay, so look here, this is the dendrites. Okay, this is the main river. They were joined by so many tributary, like the it look like the branches of tree. Now suppose this is the mainstream. Okay, this is called a dendritic pattern, and the trellis pattern. Okay, and trellis pattern means what? A river joined by its tributary approximately at right angle. Okay, develop the trellis pattern. A trellis drainage pattern develop where the hard rock and the soft rock exist parallel to each other. That means, okay, this is the trellis. Okay, that means they are joined at what? Right angle. Okay, they are joined at the right angle, and it is this pattern, okay, trellis pattern is developed where hard rock and the soft rock, okay, hard rock and the soft rock are joined. Okay, and next is what? Radial. Okay, next is what? Rectangular. Okay, rectangular patterns develop on a strong, okay, joint rocky terrain. Okay, this one is rectangle. Okay, they are forming the rectangles. Okay, and next one is what? Radial pattern. That means it develops here like that. Okay, they are drained towards in all directions. Okay, this one is what? Radial. Okay, this one is not important. You have to know there are 4 drainage pattern. Okay, the first one is what? Dendritic, second one is trellis, and third one is rectangular, and fourth one is what? Radial. Okay, so let us see the Himalayan. Okay, I've already told you we have what? 2 river system. The first one is what? Himalayan river system, and second one is what? Peninsular rivers. Okay, so now let us discuss the Himalayan river system. Okay, the major Himalayan rivers are what? In Himalayan rivers you'll find Indus, okay, Ganga, Brahmaputra. Okay, these rivers are joined by many tributaries. Okay, they are going to join by many tributaries. A river along with the tributary may be called the river system. Okay, that means these rivers, okay, that means river system. When we are going to call river system, when this river, okay, they are joined by so many tributaries, okay, and they used to call what? River system. A river along with its tributary is called what? River system. That means suppose you look here, Ganga, this is Ganga river na. Yes, it is only Ganga river. Okay, when they are joined by so many rivers na, like here, okay, Jambal, okay, Betwa, okay, Son, Ganga, and they join, and this is called what? This whole thing is called what? River system of Ganga. Okay, so that means in river system we are going to study, okay, when there is a system, that means we have to study even its tributary also, not only the main river. Okay, we are going to learn with their tributary also. Okay, so the first one is what? Indus rivers. Okay, Indus rivers, look here, Indus rivers is rise in the Tibet, okay, near the Lake Mysore, flowing west, and it enter in the what? Ladakh of Jammu and Kashmir. It formed a picture gorge in this part, several tributaries, okay, and the Jakar and the Nambar, the Chayoks and the Hayat join in the Kashmir regions. Okay, look here, here you'll find one, what happened? Sea. Okay, sea. What is this name? This name is what? Mansarovar. Okay, Mansarovar lake you'll find here. Okay, and in this side, what happened? Yes, the river. Okay, the Indus river is originated from here, and they drain towards the what? Jammu and Kashmir in Ladakh. Okay, in Ladakh. Okay, look here, here they are showing only the main rivers. Okay, here they are showing the big rivers only, there are small river. Okay, while they are entering here, what happened? They have to go so many jors. Okay, so many jors. Okay, why? Because there is a steep mountains now, so that's why they are passing, and they form so many jors, and they have to pass. Okay, they were joined by so many tributaries. Okay, small tributary river, right? Jakar, Nambra, Jayoks, and Huga. Okay, join in the Jammu and Kashmir here. Okay, in Jammu and Kashmir it were joined by so many rivers. Okay, like here. Okay, Jakar, Nambra, Sayok, Hunda. Okay, like that they were joined. Okay, they are going to join here, and what happened? The inverse river flow through the this Balba and Girgits and Antoks and Chaltus. Okay, bees and enter in the Jale. Okay, look here. From here they were joined by so many rivers. Okay, they were growing here, they are going to form lot of jors. Okay, and after that they enter in the Pakistans. Okay, they enter the Pakistans. What happened? That means the percentage, okay, which were flowing in the India is very less. Okay, and the area of Indus is what very large in Pakistan. Okay, so look here, the Indus river is flowing here, and they were joined by so many river like Jhelum, Chenab, okay, Ravi, Chaltus. Okay, these all are joined at what? Pakistan. Okay, in where? In the Mithankot. Okay, and after that, this Indus river, after joining by so many rivers, and they go, okay, and they goes down, and what happened? They flow towards the southward. Okay, southward, and they passes so many what area like Karachi. Okay, and after that, what happened? There is a gently slope, and at last they have reached to the where? Arabian Sea. Okay, and at last they have reached. Okay, and its length is about how much? 2,900 kilometer. Okay, it is the longest river in the world. Okay, it is the longest river in the world. Okay, so look here, a little over the trough of the Indus, okay, basin is located in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal, Punjab, and the rest, and Pakistan. That means in India they used to drain in Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, and what happened in some in that some area. That means why? Because their Punjab, then its tributary, they used to flow na. So that means there is a treaty. Okay, that means Indus Water Treaty, it was formed in 1960. This one is very important for MCQ question. Okay, so 20% of the water, okay, it can be used by the India. Okay, 20%, not only 20%, not more than 20%. Okay, so this water is what 20% is what used by Punjab, Haryana, and the southern and western part of Rajasthan for irrigation. Okay, and next one is what? Ganga. Ganga is also very important. Okay, the head water of the Ganga, called the Bhagirathi, is fed by the Gangotri's and joined at Alaknanda at the branch in Uttarakhand. Okay, at Haridwar, the Ganga emerged from the mountains on the plain. Okay, look here. Here Ganga is what? They are rising. Okay, they rise here. Okay, Ganga river is rising here, and they rise from where? Bhagirathi. Okay, when they join this by these two river, and they form what? Ganga. Okay, and what happened? At Haridwar, the Ganga emerged and from the mountain to on the plain. Here, okay, here what happened? The Ganga is emerged, and this is a hilly region. Okay, here they are given different name. When they join by these two rivers, they form what? Ganga. Okay, here from mountain, and they emerge on the plain. Okay, now the Ganga is what? Emerging. Okay, from here, and at Haridwar. Okay, you have to know that one. Then Ganga river is joined by so many, okay, tributary and flew. Okay, yes. Okay, look here. Ganga. Okay, this Ganga river. Okay, this Ganga river is what? Joined by what? Yamuna, Chambal. Okay, Betwa. Okay, Betwa is also joined here. Okay, these are what? This Chambal. Okay, Betwa. They are raised from where? The Central Highland. Okay, the northern part of Central Highland. From here they are joined. Okay, they join the Yamuna, and at that Yamuna is what? Again they join in the Ganga. Okay, even some river, okay, Son river is also joined in the what? Ganga river. Okay, and they were joined by so many other tributary like Sadar river, okay, Gadra river, Gaddak river, okay, Kosi river. Okay, these are the important rivers, okay, of Ganga tributary. These are the tributary, okay, which join the Ganga river, and this tributary is also very important. Why? Because they used to give flood, okay, especially in this area. Okay, like Kosi is especially for Bihar. Okay, this one, okay, Ganga, these are what? They are originated this, okay, this side rivers. Okay, they are very dangerous. Okay, they give flood in this area, and after it they enter the West Bengal, and one river. Okay, look carefully. So this is the rivers. Okay, that one river, okay, they are divided into two, and one river flow towards the Bangladesh. Okay, and one river flow towards the this one, and both the rivers they drain towards the Bay of Bengal. In this one river they are joined the Brahmaputra. Okay, in and here they form what? Deltas. Okay, Sundarban deltas. That is the explanation of Ganga rivers. Okay, and Ganga rivers, okay, they form here what? Sundarbans. Okay, so the length of the Ganga is what? 2500 kilometer. Okay, you have to know that one. Okay, its length is what? 2500 kilometer. The drainage pattern formed by Ganga river system Ambala is located in the water. Okay, that means Ambala is what? Located on the water divide between the Indus and Ganga river. That means Ambala is what? The upland, okay, which divide the that one. Okay, and look here, the Ambala plain from Ambala to the Sundar scratch. Okay, it is what? How much? 1800. Okay, this include the main source. Okay, from here, from Ambala, okay, after dividing that one, from Ambala to the Sundarban, it is how much kilometer? 1800. Okay, and the slope used to fall, okay, rapidly. Okay, 300 meters. Okay, slope hardly 300 meter. In other words, there is a fall of rise of 1 meter. That means for every 6 kilometer, okay, the height is what? Decreasing. Okay, so the river develops a large meanders. Okay, here they are developed what? Large meander. That means in especially in Ganga they form what? Large meanders. Okay, and next is what? Brahmaputra. Okay, Brahmaputra is also very important. Okay, so look here, I'll explain. Okay, Brahmaputra, okay, this is okay here. Okay, they are rising here. This is a Mysore lake. Okay, look here in eastern side. Okay, in the right side here, they are what? Or they are originated in the Tibet. Okay, in the Tibet they were called what? Sangpo rivers. Okay, and after that they have sharp U-turn. Okay, sharp U-turn in the Namcha Barwa like that. Okay, and Dihang and Lohit join here. Okay, in Arunachal. Okay, after entering by so many river like Dihang, okay, Lohit, they join and they form what? They form when they join. Okay, and they form Brahmaputra. Okay, when they enter the Bangladesh, they are called what? Yamuna. Okay, Jamuna, Jamuna. Okay, Jamuna. Here this one is Yamuna, Y. Okay, and here in Bangladesh they used to call Jamuna, J. Okay, that is the difference. And here they are from what? Sundarban Delta. Okay, that is about the Brahmaputra. Okay, look here, and here is a U-turn. Okay, enter the Arunachal. I've already told you. So Dihang and Dibang Luit and many other, okay, tributaries join and form what? Brahmaputra in Assam. Okay, so this, and in Assam, okay, this Brahmaputra, okay, in Tibet, what happened in here? Okay, in Tibet the water, okay, the water is what? Very less. Why? Because that doesn't include the rainwater. Okay, this water is what? Melting from the ice or sometime, okay, snow. Okay, when they enter the India, they get that melting of ice or snow. Okay, that water plus the rainfall water. Okay, and when they enter the Assam, okay, what happened? They used to give so many flood. Okay, every year they used to get what? Flood in Assam. Okay, so by this Brahmaputra rivers. Okay, and next is what? Yes. Okay, look here, and next is what? Peninsular river system. Yes, I have already told you that means most of the, okay, the main water divide in peninsular is formed by, that means in Western Ghat. Okay, in Western Ghat, one important thing we have to know, that water divide is formed by this one, Western Ghat. Okay, this is called Western Ghat and this is called Eastern Ghat. Okay, when we compare the height, what happened? Western Ghat have more height and Eastern Ghat have less height. That's why most of the river, they are originated from Western Ghat and they drain towards the Eastern Ghat and they drain in Bay of Bengal. Only two river, that is Narmada and Tapi river, they drain in the Arabian Sea. Okay, in Arabian Sea they doesn't form delta. Here in here, okay, here east flowing river, they form what? Deltas. Okay, look here. So yes, that's one. And let us start the first one. Okay, Narmada. Okay, Narmada basin. Okay, the Narmada is what rises in the Amarkantak hills of Madhya Pradesh. Its flow in the westward and Rif Valley formed due to the faultings. Okay, on its way to the sea, the Narmada create many picturesque locations. The Marble Rock or Nirjambal and Narmada flows through the deep gorge and the Dwangdar Falls. Okay, and where the floods of the river steep slope rocks and the notables. Okay, so all the tributaries of the Narmada are very short on the this joint. Okay, main stream at right angle. The Narmada basin covers what Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Okay, look here. This is the Narmada. Okay, they are rise from Madhya Pradesh. Okay, okay, look here. This Narmada river is what rise from Amarkantak, okay, of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, from here they arise when they enter. Okay, here Madhya Pradesh, they used to drain in two states. One is what Madhya Pradesh and another is what Gujarat. Okay, so before entering to Arabian Sea, they were joined by uh, tributaries, but their tributaries are very short. Why? Because here, okay, central highland, they have what lot of highland, okay, lot of jungles, and so that's why they are going to form lot of what jars. Okay, and after that they falls in here. Okay, so that is about Narmada. Okay, and next is what Tapi rivers. Okay, Tapi rivers is also rise in the Satraputra range of Betul district of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, it used to follow rib valleys to the Narmada. Okay, and much shorter, and it's cover part of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. Okay, the coastal plain of the Western Ghat Arabian Sea are very narrower. Hence, the coastal rivers are short. The main west flowing river are Sabarmati, Mahai. Okay, uh, out of this state which this river drain in water. Okay, look here. There, this is Tapti river. Okay, Tapi river, they are originated in where? In Madhya Pradesh. Okay, here in Madhya Pradesh, and where Chhatraputra range of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, from here they started the river. Okay, the length of the river is what very short. Okay, these west flowing river are very short, and what happened, they drains. Okay, and here they have to go through what somewhat jars. Okay, hard rock here. Okay, even in Narmada you'll find so many hard rock. Okay, marble lighted. Okay, why? This is the peninsular plateau. Okay, peninsular plateau, it is made of hard rock, so you'll find hard rock. Okay, so and some important river Sabarmati. Okay, like Sabarmati. Okay, you'll find here. Okay, here Sabarmati, light what happened, Sabarmati and other small rivers. Okay, Mahi, okay, Perrier, this you will find here. What happened, they are very small, so that's why they have not included here. Okay, and next is what Godavari basin. Okay, Godavari. Okay, Godavari river is a very important river. Why? We used to call it what Dakshin Ganga. Why? Godavari it is known also what Dakshin Ganga. Why? Because of this its length. Okay, its length is what 1500 kilometers. Okay, it rises from the Western Ghat, okay, of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so they used to go through where Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so look here, that's why this is what very important. Look here, Godavari is this one. Okay, Godavari is the, okay, this one. Okay, Godavari is what they are rise in here Maharashtra. Okay, yes, Maharashtra of Nasik district, and they were joined by a small river. Okay, Penguin. Okay, and Nijams. Okay, like this river join and they form what they join and they form Godavari. In it is the longest, okay, river of peninsular river, so that's why it is known as Dakshin Ganga, South Ganga. Okay, you can say that South Ganga. Okay, so next is what Mahanadi river. Okay, Mahanadi river is rise from the highland of Chhattisgarh. Okay, it is again, it is drains towards the Bay of Bengal. Its length is what 860. Okay, and they share by Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, and Jharkhand, and Orisha. That means, look here, this is a Mahanadi. It is also very short now. They were shared by what Chhattisgarh. Okay, it is rise from the Chhattisgarh. Okay, Madhya Pradesh. Once upon a time, this Chhattisgarh is also a part of what? Madhya Pradesh. Okay, now they have been separated and they form another state. Okay, there is Chhattisgarh. Okay, Chhattisgarh, they have rise from this Chhattisgarh area. This is a highland. Okay, so that's why some river, most of the rivers, okay, they have originated, and this side they drain toward the that what, and this side they drain towards the this side. Okay, this is a highland. Okay, mountains. Okay, you can say that rains. Okay, so next is what? Krishna, rising from the Maleshwar, the Krishna flow for about 1400. Okay, this kilometer is somewhat long, and it's reached in the Bay of Bengal. Tungabhadra, Koyana, Ghataputra, Musi, and Bhima are the some important tributary. It's drain. Okay, they drain basin in the Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, look here. Yes, Krishna River. Okay, we are studying about the Krishna. Where is Krishna? Okay, here this is a okay, Krishna River. Krishna River is okay, they are coming here, and what they are also joined by Tungabhadra rivers, and here they are from here, and they drain towards the Bay of Bengal. Okay, all these are from what? Deltas. Okay, small deltas. Okay, you have to know that one. And next is what? Kaveri. Okay, Kaveri is also very important. It is rises in the Bhagirathi in the Western Ghat. Okay, it is right in the Western Ghat. Okay, it is goes in a drain in a Bay of Bengal. Okay, in Tamil Nadu, the total length is what? 760 kilometers. Okay, its main tributary are Abramati, Hemavatis, okay, and Kabini. Okay, these are the some important rivers. Okay, they are shared by three states: Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Okay, beside this major river, there are some smaller rivers. Okay, in east, towards the east, the Damodar, Brahmaputra, Brahmatis, and Sabarnika, and some notables. Okay, look here. Here they are given here. This, okay, last one is this one. These are joined by so many, okay, some important rivers. These are only the big river. They are not included a small one. Look here, even in a Imphal, okay, in a Manipur, we have so many river. They are not included here. Why? Because they have been neglected, because they are very small. Okay, like that, they have been neglected. Okay, and next is what? Lake. Lake is also very important. Okay, the when lake comes, then you will remember Dal Lake in Kashmir. Okay, they were attracted by so many tourists. Okay, and the lake is what? Tourist spot for boating, for swimming, and for other game also. Okay, so in Srinagar, suppose Nainital and other tourists were very attracted towards what? Lake. Okay, lake provides so many facility, not only the tourists. Okay, it is provide so many things. Okay, provide so many things. It's the lake. Okay, the lake is what? They have different size, different characters. Okay, and most of the lake in India, they are what? Permanent lakes. Okay, some lands are what happened? They are found in semi-arid regions. Okay, and some lakes are, they are formed by what? River action or the wind actions. Okay, so or they are formed by the rivers like Oxbow Lake. Okay, Oxbow Lake is the example of what? Which is formed by the rivers. Okay, and Chilka Lake is also one lake which is formed by the lagoon. Okay, lagoon. Okay, inland. Okay, and next is the Pulical Lake, Kalilak lakes. Okay, and lake in the region inland drainage are some seasonal. For example, Sambar Lake in Rajasthan. Okay, and which is the salt water lake. It is used for producing salt. Then Sambar Lake is also very important. Why? Because it is salt lake. From here they are producing salt. Okay, and most of the freshwater lake are Himalayan. Okay, most of the Himalayan lake, they are freshwater lake. Okay, like they are melting from glacier or something, okay, they were filled up by snow melt or by the drain or something like that. For example, like Wular Lake, okay, in Kashmir, okay, Jammu and Kashmir, okay. And in contrast, in the result of tectonic activities, okay, it is the largest freshwater lake in India. Dal Lake, Bhimtal, okay, Nainital, Loktak. Okay, this Loktak is also freshwater lake. Now it is located in Manipur. These are the some importance. Okay, they are giving the livelihood. Okay, that means the lake provides so many livelihood process for human being. Okay, so from lake they are producing what? Hydel project, okay, Nagal, okay, Braka Nagal project, or so many project they are building. Okay, so rise of rivers in the economy, that means in economy the water provide basic natural resource. We have already know, not only that one, okay, it is most of the ancient settlement, they used to settle near the rivers. Okay, it is used for transporting purpose, some like that, okay, in ancient time. So river water is what used for irrigation, navigation, for hydropower generation, or in India it is used for agricultural purpose, for the livelihood, for many purpose. Okay, river pollution, nowadays many rivers, okay, the people used to settle near the rivers. Okay, so that's why the quality of the rivers become what? Very decrease. Okay, so in ancient time the river, the quality of the river is what? Balancing. Okay, it is it doesn't affect. Why? The human people does not affect, okay, or polluted that particular area. But with the increase of human being or the population, the demand is more, we need more water, but we in other sense we are polluting more waters. Okay, we are throwing our garbage towards the where? In the rivers. Okay, so nowadays the water become what? Polluted. The water has, okay, the running water have the self-cleaning agents. Okay, but when we throw, okay, when we throw a lot of polluted, then what happen? It disturb the what happen? Self-cleaning capacity. Okay, it is more than self cleaning capacity, so that's why the water become more polluted. So nowadays it is concerned that we should stop, okay, polluting the rivers. Okay, why? The river water is very important, so if we don't disturb the river, then it will clean automatically. Okay, so one project is also developed, National River Conservation, okay, plan, that is NCR, that used for Ganga Action Plan, okay, to clean Ganga. It was initiated in 1885. The first phase was closed in 1985. Okay, so for first phase was started in 1885 and it was closed in 2000. Okay, 31st March. And after that the second phase was adopted in so many, okay, area, like what, in 50 to 152 town, and 27 interstate rivers, okay, to 16 state, okay, and 57 towns, and 215 scheme of pollution abatement, and 69 scheme have been completed under action plan. That means many action plan were taken up to stop polluting the rivers. Okay, that means the river is very important. Okay, so that's all for what? Drainage. Okay, drainage, that means the main important nowadays in India. We have what? Big rivers, that big rivers are polluting nowadays. We should stop, okay, and we should take up so many action plan to stop the polluting of river. Okay, okay, thank you, that's all for today. Okay, have a nice day.